and welcome to Table Talk with Amy
and Sophie. And this week has been a really reassuring one. I was privileged to be invited to the Times CTO Summit, where people on stage were talking about cybersecurity in the way that I have been talking about cybersecurity for years. So we're no longer those radicals. My thinking around the fact that cybersecurity attacks and hacks are bound to happen is now becoming commonplace. And it's great to see the conversation changing around that.
And for me, the most reassuring thing that happened this week was when I attended the Future-Proof Your Business event. It was wonderful to hear from a futurologist talking about how, with the ever-changing workplace, for the next generation, the most important thing we can do to safeguard their financial security is to arm them with the life skills, particularly the social skills, that mean from whatever demographic, whatever background they come from, they are all given the same opportunity to succeed. Another reason for us to take it to market.
While Amy was having a lovely time at that event, I was having an equally lovely time at Zinc Connect. It was fantastic to reconnect with the fellow companies that came out of Zinc, and so reassuring to see them grow alongside us over the past year. And it was fantastic to continue to get support from the Zinc network. So thank you so much to Zinc for putting that on.
The cherry on top this week has been that Table Talk has been working really hard in the background for us. Turns out an individual that we are a super fan of may very well be a fan of our Table Talk vlog.
So thank you so much for watching Steve Warswick. Steve has created a fantastic chatbot called Mitsuku, and we cannot wait to connect with him and start learning from his experience.
So wonderful.
So exciting.
Yeah. Thank you so much for listening as always. We look forward to catching up with you next week.
Bye.
Bye.